Hello everyone, this is again permutation and combination part 3. Okay, we studied permutation. Now today's topic is combination. Okay, we have little bit idea about the combination. So what is the combination? Okay, see, combination, if I have three objects A, B, C, okay, and from these three objects we have to take two at a time. So how can we take? It is, suppose I take AB here, BC here, then AC. What is the next possibility? Okay, there is a no possibility. So in the combination, here we are not taking the tension about the order. Okay, what we have to first take. Okay, so when the order doesn't matter, so it is combination. When order doesn't matter, then it is combination. Okay, order doesn't matter, then it is combination. Okay, suppose for example, if I want to take the salad. Okay, why we called it as a combination? This is the best example. Listen carefully. If I want to make a salad of apple, strawberry, okay, then banana, sorry, banana, okay, or I take first banana, then strawberry, then apple. Is there any change in salad? No. So this is the combination. We call it as a combination where the order doesn't matter. Clear? In the permutation, order matters. Okay. See my previous videos. You will understood what is the permutation. You will understood the difference between permutation and combination. Okay. So we can add first apple, strawberry, banana. We can also add first banana, strawberry, then apple. So what we get finally result is what? Salad. So in the combination there is a order doesn't matter. Okay, clear? In the previous session I already told you, remember the word selection. If they given selection, use combination. Okay, I use shortcut here. If they given arrangement, used permutation. Okay, permutation. Clear? So, what is the combination? Definition is, many times asked in exam for 2 marks. Okay, a selection of any are things out of n things. Out of n things means definitely n is large. N things is called of n things are at a time. We can say here n things taken are at a time. Okay, so this is the definition of combination, and what is how it is represented in a symbolically like this, NCR. Okay, sometimes they used CNR. Okay, or this. Okay, generally we use this one, NCR, combination. C for combination, N is the number of objects taken, R at a time. So we use this one. Okay, clear? Take a screenshot of definition. See the formula. Formula is NCR equal to N factorial upon r factorial into n minus r bracket factorial. Okay, this is the important formula for combination. Very simple formula. Here, sometimes they ask in an exam for 2 marks, maybe 10 C6. We have to find the value of this. Okay, simply put this 10 in this formula and 6 in this formula. Means this is my n and this is my r. Okay, put it into formula. So 10 factorial upon 6 factorial into 10 minus 6 bracket factorial. As I said, I already told you how to find the factorial number. This 6 factorial keep as it is into 10 minus 6, it is a 4 factorial. See, here 6 is the large number. So I write here 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. Okay. Why I write here 6 factorial? Because in the denominator there is a 6 factorial. So 6 factorial and 6 factorial get cancelled, and 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. Find out this sum and calculate the answer. Put it into calci and find out. Calculator is allowed here. Okay. So your answer is 210. Clear? Take a screenshot. See the next examples. 50C45. Okay. N is 50, R is 45. Put it into formula. 50 factorial upon 45 factorial into 50 minus 45 bracket factorial. Okay. If I solve it, what we get? 45 factorial capacities. 50 minus 45 is a 5 factorial. Okay. See, this is what 50 factorial. 50 factorial means what? 50 into 50, 49, 48, reverse counting up to 1. Okay. So it become very time consuming. So see in the denominator there is a 45. So write down here 50 into 49 into 48 into 47 into 46 into 45 factorial. Okay. Again I write 45 up to 45 factorial. Okay. So here is also 45 factorial into 5 factorial. 5. I write 5 as a 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Here 45 factorial and here 45 factorial will get cancelled. Put this value on a calculator and find out the value. So your value is 218760. Clear? Okay. Sometimes they ask in a second question, evaluate first and second. This is for 2 marks. For 2 marks. And next one, suppose they give 20C5. 20C18. Okay. This is for 2 marks. So 2 plus 2 become 4 marks for one question. Okay. See the question. A committee of 3 persons is to be formed. Committee word. Committee words means identify this is what combination. Okay. In the exam they will not use proper word, use combination here, use permutation here. No. We have to identify which question is. Question is from combination because committee word is there. Okay. And read the question carefully. A committee of 3 persons is to be formed amongst 4 men and 3 ladies. 3 ladies. So as to include at least 1 man and at least 1 lady. Okay. In how many ways can this be done? Okay. So there is a selection. Okay. We can't arrange in the committee. We can't arrange in the committee. We are selecting the persons. Okay. So used here combination. Getting my point? We have to find the committee. From the committee word, we understood here we have to use the combination. Okay. And moreover, we have to select the persons. Okay. Not arrange. Select the person. So use the combination here. Okay. To find the committee, I write here committee of 3 persons. Clear? In the committee, there should be a 3 person only. Okay. What is the availability here? Availability is what? 4 men and 3 ladies. Ladies. What is the condition? It include at least 1 man. Okay. At least 1 man. 1 man. And okay. But we have to find a 3 persons committee. 1 man. So I took at least 1 man. I took other 2 from ladies. Okay, 1 man and 2 ladies. Condition is fulfilled here. At least 1 man. Clear? Or at least 1 lady. Okay, 1 lady from just 3. At least 1 lady and other condition fulfilled from here. 2 men. Clear? Okay. Remember one thing in the permutation combination. If and is there, use multiplication. If or is there, use addition. Okay. See here, I take 1 main from 4 main. How it is possible? 4C1 and so cross multiplication. Clear? 2 ladies from 3C2 means what? An object taken 2 at a time. Okay. What is here? Or means what? Plus. Okay. 1 ladies from 3C1 into 2 men from 4C2. Now solve this by using the formula and find out. See, this type of question asked in a competitive exam. So listen carefully, read carefully. 4C1 means what? 4 factorial upon 1 factorial into 4 minus 1, 3 factorial. I write directly. Okay, into 3 factorial upon 2 factorial into 1 factorial. Clear? This is the first bracket. Second bracket is plus here. 3 factorial upon 1 factorial into 2 factorial into 4 factorial upon 2 factorial into 2 factorial, bracket complete. Okay. Solve it. Here 4 factorial, 4 I write 4 here into 3 factorial. Okay. 1 factorial means 1 into 3 factorial. 3 get cancelled. Here 3 into 2 factorial. Okay. Here 2 factorial and 1 as it is. Plus sign. So 2 get cancelled. Okay. Here in the second bracket 3 into 2 factorial upon 1 into 2 factorial get cancelled. 4 factorial into 3 into 2 factorial. Here, sorry, 4 into 3 into 2 factorial. Here 2 factorial as it is, and second one is 2 into 1. Clear? 2 get cancelled. Here 2. So what we get, I write here. Okay, this one is 4. This one is 3. Clear? Plus this one is 3 and this is what? 6. Clear? Is it 6? 3 2s are 6. Okay, 6. So our answer is, see, 4 into 3 it is 12, 6 into 3 it is 8, so it is 30. 18 plus 12 is 30. 30 ways we can form the committee of 4 men and 3 ladies, taking means in the committee there are 3 persons. Okay, so it can be formed by 30 ways. Clear? Take a screenshot, solve it carefully. Next question, many times asked in exam, in how many ways, in how many ways, in how many ways. See the question, in how many ways a committee of 6 men and 3 women, I use shortcut here, N for men and W for women, can be selected from 12 men and 6 women. Okay, very simple question. Selection is there, committee word is there, selected word is there, so we use combination here. Okay, from the 12 men. Okay, see 3 women from 6 women. How we can select? It is very simple. 6 C 3 ways. Clear? Okay. Solve it by formula 6 factorial upon 3 factorial into 6 minus 3 is 3 factorial. So 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial get cancelled, and the remaining 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. So answer is 20 ways. 20 ways. Similarly, what is the next condition? Next is 6 men from 12 men. Availability of 12 men. We have to select from 6. Okay. So we selected, it is in the 12C6 ways. Okay. This is the N, this is R. Number of objects are 12. Availability of objects are 12. We have to select 6 from them. So 12C6. Okay. Apply the formula 12 factorial upon 6 factorial into 12 minus 6 is 6 factorial. Here. Solve it. 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. Okay. Here also 6 factorial, and 6 factorial means 6 into 5 into 4 into 2, 3 into 2 into 1. Here 6 get cancelled. Solve this using calculator. Calculator is allowed here. So our answer is 924 ways. Clear? And at last what they said, committee of 6 men and 3 women, and is given here. In the committee, 6 men and 3 women, and is given here. Okay. So what we use here? Multiplication. Okay. This is my first answer. This is my second answer. So committee can be formed in a 924 into 20 ways. So it will become 18480 ways. Clear? Why we use here multiplication? Because they given and here. Clear? Take a screenshot of this question. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment box. Okay. Next question. Sometimes they ask permutation combination relations. Okay. On the basis of relations of commutation and combination, what is the question here? Find n. You have to find the n if they given one condition depending on the permutation and combination. np3 equal to 3 into nc4. Okay. See, it is in the bracket. They given this condition and we have to find n here. Clear? See, okay. See, np3 equal to 3nc4. what we know from this condition, we have idea about only permutation and combination. Okay, fine. Then put only formula here, n factorial. Okay, permutation is what? N minus 3 bracket factorial. 3 keep as it is. Don't know what to do, so keep as it is. N factorial into, apply the combination formula here, 4 factorial into n minus 4 bracket factorial. Clear? On the both side, n factorial get cancelled. Clear? Take a cross multiplication. If I take here cross multiplication, what we get? 4 factorial upon 3, this n minus 4 bracket factorial. Wait a minute. Okay, this is the step. If I take a cross multiplication, what we get? This. Cross multiplication is like this. Okay. Now, 4 factorial upon 3 is multiplied here. Here it become divided. Equal to n minus 3 bracket factorial divided by n minus 4 bracket factorial. Now, see. Okay. Now, see. See, this is the large number. Okay. If I write down here 5 factorial upon 3 factorial, how to solve this? 5 into 4 into 3 means I subtract 1, write down 4. I subtract 2 from 5, I write down 3. Similarly, if I subtract 1 from 3, minus 3 minus 1, it become minus 4. See, n minus 3 minus 1, it become n minus 4. Clear or not? Comment me in the comment section. See, I write here 4, 3, 2, 1. Here 3 get cancelled. Here n minus 3 keep as it is into n minus 4 bracket factorial, because n minus 4 is a small number. That's why I write here. So this get cancelled. What we get? We get 4 to the 8. 8 equal to n minus 3. Okay. So what we have to find here? N. So 8 plus 3 is 11. So our n is 11. Final answer is 11. Getting or not? Next example for the combination is, okay, from 6 boys and 4 girls. Boys and 4 girls. See, this is my question. From the 6 boys and 4 girls, 5 are to be selected. How meaning? 5 are to be selected. Selection word is there, so we use combination here for the admission for particular course. Okay. In how many ways can this be done? This is the condition. If, okay, what is the condition? If there must be exactly 2 girls. This is my condition. Okay. So, see carefully. See. Availability of boys is 6, okay, and 4 girls are there. Okay, we have to select for the admission. We have to select the 5 from both boys and girls. But what is the condition? If there must be exactly 2 girls. Okay, exactly 2 girls from 4C2. Okay. We want 5, okay, 2 are selected, remaining is 3. So, and, I write here, and remaining 3 from here, 6, C, 3. 3 plus 2 is 5, okay, 5 are to be selected, okay, and condition also satisfied here, if there must be exactly two girls. Yes, here is the exactly 2 girls. we are selecting. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Condition is fulfilled here. Solve this. And is occur. So I write here 6c3 into 4c2. Okay. 6 factorial upon 3 factorial into 6 minus 3 bracket factorial into 4 factorial upon 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay. 6 factorial capacities, here 3 factorial, here also 3 factorial. I write here 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. Clear? Here 4 into 3 into 2 factorial. Clear? Wait. It must be 2 factorial. Okay. So 2 factorial into 2 factorial. 2 will get cancelled. 3 cancel. Solve this. After solving this, what we get? 120 ways. Okay, clear? If any doubt, ask in comment. This type of question ask in exam, in a competitive exam also, in our regular exam also. Today we are going to see one condition that is very important condition. What I say, it is not a condition, it is theorem, rule. Okay, we can say theorem. Okay, what is the theorem here? NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. Learn it, marked it, because it is very important. Always ask one question on this theorem. Okay. What is the theorem here? NCR. Okay. Plus NCR minus 1. If I write here 7C5. My N is 7. R is 5. C. N same. So I write here 7. Okay. C. What is here? R minus 1. R minus 1 means 5 minus 1. Okay. So I write here 4. Okay. Equal to, what is the result here? N plus 1. N plus 1 means what? 7 plus 1. It is 8 C R. R means this previous one. 8 C5. Okay. For example. Getting or not? See, NCR. Here N capacities. Same number. R minus 1. Okay, means 4. N plus 1. N plus 1 means 8. And C5. Okay, we'll go through the one example. It's very simple. Always ask in exam. Very important. Okay. See, this type of question asked in exam for 4 marks. Okay. See, it is very simple example. We know that. What we know? We know the rule. We know the theorem. Which theorem? NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. We know this theorem. By using this theorem, we apply this theorem over this example. See, NCR. What is here? 10C6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, I write here 10C6 plus 10C5. C. N same. 10 same. Here R is 6. R minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay. And third term capacities. Okay. Here 12Cx capacities. Apply rule here. R 6. R minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. So apply rule here. What is the rule? N plus 1. N plus 1 means what? 11. 10 plus 1. C. R. Previous one means 6. Okay. Plus this capacities. This capacities. Getting or not? Comment me. Okay. Now apply rule here. What is this? See, I write first bigger number 11c7 plus 11c6 equal to 12cx. See, 11, 11, 7, 7 minus 1. Clear? So I write it as a n plus 1 means what? 12c r means the 7. Remaining capacities. What is remaining? This side. 12cx. On comparing both sides, what we write here? X equal to 7. And this is my answer. See how simple it is. Don't miss out. It is for 4 marks. For 4 marks and always ask in exam. Okay. Take a screenshot. If you have a question on a combination, comment me. I will solve it. Okay. Now we'll go through the relation between permutation and combination. Okay. Many times ask, find n if np4 equal to 18 n minus 1 p2. Okay. Okay, fine. This is about permutation only. We have to find n here. They given a condition. What we know from this statement, we know only the formula. So apply the formula here. What is the formula? N factorial upon n minus 4 bracket factorial. Okay. 18 capacities. Similarly, apply the formula n minus 1 bracket factorial upon n minus 1 minus 2 bracket factorial. Okay. I'll apply here formula NPR. Since NPR, n factorial upon n minus r bracket factorial. Clear? Okay. Now, see this n. This n is bigger. Okay. And this term is bigger. This term is smaller. Why? Because this is n and this is n minus 4. Something is reducing from the n. So this is a smaller term than this. So I write here n capacities, this one, n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 up to n minus 4 bracket factorial. I write, wait a minute. I write it as a, see here, n into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4 bracket factorial. Okay. This is n minus 4 bracket factorial as it is. This term and this term get cancelled. What is this? I already told you, if this is the 7, sorry, if this is 5, see this is the large number, this is the smaller number. So, how we calculate? 7 into 6 into 5 factorial, no? 7 minus 1, 6. 7 minus 2, 5. So, 5 factorial get cancelled. Okay. Similarly, I apply here. Okay. This is the larger term. This is the smallest term. See, larger term, smaller term. Okay. Clear? 18 capacities. Similarly here. What is this? This term is what? This term is n minus 1. I write here. Minus 1, minus 2. It is minus 3. Okay. See here. N minus 1. N minus 3. From n minus 1 is reduced. From n minus 3 is reduced. Means what? This is the smaller term. This is the larger term. Similarly, I apply this rule. N minus 1 capacities, n minus 2, n minus 3 bracket factorial. Clear? N minus 3 bracket factorial. This term get cancelled. Okay. What is remaining? On the both side, n minus 1 is cancelled, n minus 1 is cancelled. N minus 2 get cancelled. Okay. What is remaining here? N into n minus 3 equal to 18. This is the only remaining thing. Okay, now see how simple it is. See, multiply n square minus 3n equal to 18. Okay, n square minus 3n minus 18. This is the quadratic equation. Okay, why quadratic? Because square is here. So, what we want here? Roots. 18 is the multiplication. 18 is the multiplication. Sorry, I write multiplication here. And minus 3. Minus 18 is multiplication, minus 18. Minus 18 is the multiplication, minus 3 is the addition. So, what are the roots of this equation? See, 6 3s are 18, but I want minus. So, minus 3. Okay, 6 minus 3. Okay, see, minus 6 into 3, it is minus 18. Minus 6 into minus 6 plus 3, it is minus 3. So, roots are minus 6 and 3. So, I write here n equal to 6 and n equal to minus 3. Negative value cannot be taken, as we know. So, our answer is this one. Clear? Okay. Take a screenshot. If you don't understand, see this part. See this part. Okay. We already studied this in a 7th, 8th standard. Okay. See this part. This is the minus. There is some rule for combination. See NC1. If I put the formula here, we'll get the answer. But these are standards. Okay. So if I write NC1, NC1 is n. How it is? N factorial upon 1 factorial. Apply the formula here. N minus 1 bracket factorial equal to, see, n factorial into n minus 1 bracket factorial, because 1 factorial is 1. Okay. So what is this? N is large, n minus 1 is small. So I write here n minus 1 bracket factorial. N minus 1 bracket factorial, get cancel, answer is n. Clear? This. So remember this one. For example, if I write 7C1, so directly write down answer is 7. No need to put the formula and solve. Directly write 7 and write down, since we know that NC1 is n. Okay. So your time will not be wasted. Okay. Clear? This is the first. Now second. Second is NC0. NC0. NC0 is 1. How it is? N factorial upon 0 factorial into n minus 0 bracket factorial. Okay. N factorial. As we know, 0 factorial is 1. Since 0 factorial is 1, it is standard. N minus 0 is n factorial. Okay. N factorial get cancelled. So answer is 1. Clear? So sometime in examples, if there is a suppose 6C0, so directly write down 1. No need to apply the formula here, and write down, since we know that NC0 is 1. This is the note. This is the rule. Second rule. Clear? Okay. This is second. Third is what? NCn equal to n factorial. How it is? Apply the formula. N factorial upon n minus n bracket factorial. N factorial upon 0 factorial. As we know, 0 factorial is 1. So answer is n factorial upon 1. It is n factorial. Okay. So suppose in example 7C7. So directly write down 7 factorial. Clear? No need to find the No need to apply the formula here. Do not waste your time here. So directly write down 7 factorial and write here, since we know that NCN is the n factorial. Clear? This is third one. Okay. Take a screenshot of this. Question is, see, this is my question. A committee of 10 members. Okay, what we have to find? Committee. Okay, committee means we have to work on combination. Clear? Work on combination. Committee of 10 members is to be chosen from 9 teachers. Okay, and 6 students. Okay. In how many ways this can be done? Question is not over here. There is a conditions if. See, what is the first condition? I write here, if the committee contains exactly 4 students. See, what is the condition? We work on this condition. See, answer. Exactly 4 students. Exactly 4 students chosen from available 6 students. So I write here 6C4. I choose exactly 4 students from available 6 students. Clear? And. So and is there. I used cross. Okay, fine. I write directly word. And 4 in the committee, 4 students are selected. But we want 10 members in the committee. So remaining 6. 10 minus 4, remaining 6 from 9 teacher. Clear? So I write here 9C6. Okay. Condition get fulfilled. Understood? Solve this and tell me the answer in the comment section. And is there, so I use multiplication sign 6C4. Again I repeat. Committee of 10 members is to be chosen from 9 teachers and 6 students. In how many ways this can be done? But condition is what? If the committee contain exactly 4 students. Okay, what they want in the committee, they want exactly 4 students. Okay, 4 students chosen from available 6 students. That's why I write 6C4. Okay. So 4 get selected, but we want 10 members in the committee. Okay, so remaining 6 from, take 6 from 9 teachers. So 9C6. Okay, 6 plus 4, 10. Condition get fulfilled. So convert it into the formula and find out and comment me the answer. Clear? Now, same question. Condition change. If, what is the condition? If there is to be majority of teacher. Okay, there is to be majority of teachers. Fine. Okay. Majority of teachers means what? See, if I majority of teachers means if I take all teachers, okay, availability of teacher is 9. So 9C9, okay, majority. Okay, majority means I take only 9 because availability is 9. Okay, and okay, in the committee there should be 10 members. 9 already selected, 1 from 6 student. 6C1. Getting or not? So 9 plus 1 is 10. Condition get fulfilled and this condition also fulfilled. C. Majority. Clear? Or I write here, or I write here 9C8 and 6C. 8 are selected from the 9 teachers, remaining 2 because we want 10 members, remaining 2 from students. Okay, 8 plus 2 is 10. Condition get fulfilled. 8 is major, means majority is found here, so condition get satisfied. Or we can say 9C7 and 6C7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay, here also majority of teachers are there. Committee get formed. 10 members is there. Majority of teachers are there. Condition get fulfilled. Okay, or C6 and 6 remaining 4 from students. Okay, clear. Here majority of teachers is there, remaining 4 from students, and 6 plus 4 is 10. Condition gets satisfied, majority condition also satisfied. Or we write here 9C5 and 6C5. Here condition get fail. How it is fail? Because 5 equal to 5, teachers equals to student, and what is our condition? Majority of teachers we want. Here majority of teachers, here majority of teachers, here also majority of teacher, here also majority of teacher, but here equality is there. So this condition, we are not taking this condition. Up to this our answer is correct. Okay, convert it into the formula. See how it is. 9C9 and is there, so I write into 6C1 plus, or is there. Okay, so I write here plus 9C8 into 6C2 plus, or is there 9C7 into 6C3 plus 9C6 into 6C4. Find out this, apply the formula and comment me the answer. Comment me answer. Okay, clear? It is very, very simple. Go logically. Okay. Here permutation and combination chapter is over. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Our next chapter is LPP, linear programming problems. Okay. Please share, comment, like and subscribe. In the next session, I will start my next session in Marathi and English, because खूप सारे स्टुडंट्स आहेत की ज्यांनी मला सांगितलं की मॅम मराठीतून घ्या. सो मी आता पुढचे जे सेशन आहे ते मराठी आणि इंग्लिश अशा दोघी लँग्वेजमधून कव्हर करणार आहे. सो प्लीज शेअर करा, तुमच्या मित्रांना मैत्रिणींना सगळ्यांना शेअर करा. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.